Let me show you how you can use this knob here to adjust the volume on your PC, laptop, tablet or whatever. So as you see, for example, I'm currently connected to my phone. If I simply twist this knob, I see my volume changes. So you see how cool this is. But by default, actually, when you get this keyboard, if you actually try to turn the keyboard, it will actually change the light intensity. So if you want to switch to this mode where you can actually adjust volume on your device, you simply click this button. So you see it's also clickable. You click and hold it for a few seconds. You will see a light here appears. So green, that means it switched to the like intensity, changing for the color. So you see, I can adjust the color, basically intensity. So if I want to switch to the volume changing, again, I simply click and hold it, and you will see it will blink blue here. That means I'm in this volume changing. So you see, if I now twist it, it changes the volume on my device. Okay, good luck.